Hi, my name is Terry, and in this video, we will be solving one-step linear equations. So the first equation we're going to look at here says x minus 3 equals 7. So the whole goal in linear equations is that we want to get x by itself and everything else on the other side of the equation. So we want to move that minus 3. So to move something from one side of the equal sign to the other, we have to do the opposite. So here we have a minus 3. So the opposite of a minus is a plus. So we will plus 3. And then what we do to one side of the equal sign, we must do to the other side. So we will add that plus 3 under the 7 as well. Then the negative 3 and the plus 3 will cancel each other out because negative 3 plus 3 just equals 0. So we're left with x equals, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So our answer here is x equals 10. All right, so let's look at another one here. We're going to say x plus 4 equals 9. Again, our whole goal is to get x on one side, everything else on the other. So we have a 4 here that we've got to move to that other side. So we have a plus 4. To move it over, we must do the opposite. So the opposite of a plus is a minus. So we will do a minus 4. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we'll minus the 4 from the 9 as well. When we do this, this will cancel out our 4's because plus 4 and minus 4 make a 0. Then we're going to be left with x equals, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So our answer here is x equals 5. All right, so let's try another one here. This time we're going to try 2x equals 10. Okay, so as we're looking at this, we've got to move that 2 from one side to the other, just like we were doing before. But here we don't have a plus or a minus, we just have a 2. So if the 2 is side by side, like it's touching a letter or what we call a variable, that means that they are multiplied together. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we are actually going to divide that 2x by 2. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other side. So when we do that, it will actually cancel out these 2's. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we would have 1x, or we normally just say x at that point. So x equals, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So here we have x equals 5. All right, one last one here. This time we're going to have x over 3 equals 5. Okay, so here again, we want to move that 3 to the other side. And anytime you see a fraction like this is just a division problem. We have x divided by 3. Well, we know that the opposite of division is multiplication. So we are going to multiply that side by 3. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other side. When we do this, this actually cancels out those 3's, which will leave us with x equals, and 5 times 3 is 15. So our answer here is x equals 15.